I've been coming here since 2010, and I've had 5 implants. It's just really pleasant. The people here act as though they've been my friends for a long time, but over 10 years, they have become friends. I had crowns that were deteriorating, and in order to fix them, I had to have implants. I had an implant done another place before I knew about Dr. Collins, and I had a bad experience when that tooth was removed, and so I was glad to be referred to Dr. Collins.
Nancy had a bad experience at another surgeon's office, really was just looking for a new kind of surgical home, if you will. So when we saw Nancy, we were obviously very nice to her, as just a wonderful patient as she is. But ultimately what we found out with Nancy was that she needed some pretty extensive treatment. And we looked at that and we were able to come up with a plan for her to replace some missing teeth that she had been in pain with before.
They point out things, they don't just do it. They answer my questions, but they also volunteer information and tell me what's happening. I like that.
We were able to take her teeth out, put the implants in at the same time. She went through a period of healing, and then she was able to get teeth on top of that. And now Nancy is just a super happy patient.
I am grateful to Dr. Collins that he has expertise to do my implants correctly, so I'm glad I came here.